application will ask you a very few questions, and you may need to select some information here as it relates to your role, and as well the grade that you're teaching. If you're a teacher, if you're a parent, if your students in a certain grade, you may need to select certain of these information correctly. But for the application to generate AI-based questions which they can ask you. So that's what pretty much it for that there. So they do ask you frequently, they do come up and ask you in the community section here, as you can see, the Q&A community section here. As you can see, a lot of questions which you can even work out and do yourself and give them the answer for these. If you may want to test your skills as it relates to works and so forth. But I mean, you may find that some of this information, some of these questions that they may ask you is not really from United States type of thing, more likely a different country. But anyways, I'm going to still show you how to use the application. So here you have the maths helper. Is pretty much take a snap of any problem at all with any maths, English, any questions that you may need answer for. You can use this option here. You have the AI Tutor bot, which you can ask pretty much anything and it will help you with your questions, maths, anything at all as it relates to homework and so forth. As well, you have the exercise option. As you can see here, it will help you as it relates to mathematics and so forth. So you do keep a track of how often do you practice any one of these. Let's say, for example, mathematics, and you can see here you have other challenges which you can complete, which they do keep track of as well. So that's really the whole basis of this application here. It's just a very, very simple application which can help you with your homework as a student, or if you're a teacher, it can help your students with this application here as well. So we do tap on the tutorial option here. You can pretty much go ahead and ask the AI about anything else I said before. As you can see here, right, a comprehension. As you can see here, will give you a fast reply and so forth. So I've been given a topic and so forth. So very good application. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And as well, you're going to need coins or points to pretty much do some of these things as well. So do make sure once you have opened the application daily, you will get free coins as well. As you can see here, this is my first day of logging in. I will pretty much get a free 10 coins, as you can see here. So the more you use their application, the more free coins you get. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I missed anything at all, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I would love to help you out. See you in the next one.